Hello. All right, we are going to do a video on what happens when you hit your goals. I love this. So today, September 23rd, 2020, I'm recording this and I have actually hit my goal. I had set my goal in the Happy Scale app to weigh 150 11 months ago. And I'd reached out to the Half Size Me community and told them that I was at the highest weight I had ever been since getting to maintenance. I was hovering between 164 and 165. I had up to that point stayed in the range of 150 to 160, which was my original designated goal range. And I was feeling very apathetic about my journey, kind of feeling down on myself due to some things I was taking in. I've shared this quite a bit. And I decided that I was going to turn things around. So the two big things that changed were not my eating. I didn't do anything crazy with my food. It wasn't my exercise. I didn't change that. What really changed was I chose to lean into the Half Size Me community, which looks like this. Every single day I journal. I write out my goals. I write out my actions. I write out what I'm going to eat, what I'm going to do for my workouts. I really check in. And then once a week, usually on Sunday, I do a weekly weight update. So here's where my weight is. There were many weeks in this 11-month cycle that I did not lose a single thing. I actually had some weeks where my weight went up, okay? But I checked in anyway. So it's that consistency over time. So as of today, I woke up 149.8. I have not seen the 140s since 2012, in all seriousness. I have not been in the 140s since 2012. I was really surprised to see that, but of course, what did Happy Scale say? I hit 100% of my goal completion. My original goal was to hit 150, so it went ahead and said I hit 100%. So then the question becomes, wow, we hit our goal. Now what? Nothing changes. Nothing in my day-to-day life is going to be altered. And this is why I tell everybody, do things you can do long-term. Because when I woke up this morning, I put on my workout clothes. I'm walking Daisy. I'm going to go do my strength training. I'm going to eat my normal foods. I'm going to journal in the 8 app because that's the one I'm using right now. I've used various apps for tracking food and journaling food. That's just the one I'm using now. I've currently not been calorie counting for the last few months. I'm going to keep doing that. It's been working really well for me. Again, 14 years of tracking calories before choosing not to. So I do know the calories even if I choose not to track them. And I am going to be doing everything. Nothing looks different from yesterday versus today. It's the exact same day. It's like Groundhog Day, really. And so the reason I share that is because I know a lot of times people feel this desperate panic. I must get to my goals. I'm not losing weight fast enough. I want to get to my goal weight. But the next day looks identical to what you're doing right now. Nothing changes, I promise you. I woke up, hit the goal, excited, put together a little post, released it, and we're right back into it. Like there's literally not missing a beat on any of the normal behaviors. And when you can wrap your mind around that, and have more of that maintenance mindset, what I'm doing now, I will do for the rest of my life. Even if you choose to reduce your weight a little bit more for whatever reason, you realize that once you get to that goal, nothing changes on the day-to-day. And that's important because then you really can evaluate, is what I'm doing right now sustainable? Is it something that I really think I will commit to after I hit that goal number? And if the answer is no, then I would encourage you not to do it because you've got to live this life indefinitely if you want to keep the weight off. I can't go from yesterday tracking what I'm eating in whatever app I'm choosing at the time, doing all the workouts, doing all the walking, drinking the water, eating the protein, eating the vegetables to going, hey, I'm at my goal. Let's go out to eat and pate. I can't do that. Like I will gain the weight back. So I have to keep those behaviors going. So my big thing I want to share with you is enjoy the process. Enjoy the process of feeding your body good, nutritious food. Enjoy what you get to do with your body as you start making this progress, the aches and pains that go away, the ability you get back. Really look at each part of this as a gift and what it gives you versus, oh my God, I have to eat this calorie amount. Why? Why can't I do this? Why can't I? If you make it that, it's going to be a misery and you're not going to enjoy the process and you're going to want to opt out as soon as you can versus, oh, wow, I get to eat all this delicious fruits and vegetables and fill my body with really good food. Oh, wow, I get to move my body in this way and feel super strong and powerful or flexible or fast or whatever. You know, there's a lot of gifts that come from taking good care of your body, and I want you to tap into that. So one, I'm really thrilled to tell you I've achieved the goal after 11 months, and I just want to say a special thank you to the Half Size Me community because it's a safe place where I can share, be vulnerable, and I don't have to be perfect because none of us are. Two, I wanted to let you know nothing changes once you hit your goal. So enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, and find things you're willing to do indefinitely. And please, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this with other people because I want other people to lose weight in a sane, reasonable way so they can keep it off long term. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.